Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is the GT rear entry. You can see it's got the power doors, manual ramp, very easy to operate. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got these clamps on here. I can take the ramp down. I can take it down with just my index finger, very easy to do. Weighs about as much as a gallon of milk. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than most side entries. It does taper down to 32 at the base where the ramp sets. It's got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. It's very good condition. The headliner looks great. You got your rear air. Between these 2 seats here, there's about 21 inches of room. If you needed more room, like we can remove one of the seats. We got seats that'll flip up on their side. Let us know your dimensions of your chair or what you're needing, and we'll do our best to accommodate you. There's no one size fits all, of course, but a very clean van. The dash looks to be in great condition. Steering wheel controls. It's got your Bluetooth connect on there. If you do want to make these doors manual, you can click the off button there, and they become manual sliding doors. To say you're going to use this for a taxi or something like that, you've got that option to easily do that. And if you want them back to power doors, boom, hit them right back there to power. Real nice center console. Plenty of cup holders. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Pick it up here, look, 1 finger. Latch it back down. You're ready to roll. Now we do give a free set of pull-tight Q-string tie-downs away with each van. It's got the 1 key here. We can get you a second one on your dime if you'd like us to. Tinted windows, alloy wheels, brand new tires on it. Very clean van as I do the walk around. For a 5-year-old van, it's super clean. It's hard to find a dent or scratch on this thing. I'm not saying it's perfect. I do see one tiny little maybe door ding right there about the size of a dime. And trust me, every 5-year-old vehicle with 50,000 miles on it, it's going to have a ding here and there, or a scratch. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about it. But overall, super clean inside and out. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession. We're not pulling some internet scam. So got the VIN number for you right there. And speaking of that VIN number, we use that to do a Carfax report with each one of our vehicles. No accidents or damage, 3 owners. Last owned in Hawaii, actually. So definitely a rust-free area. You can see Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have not been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents or open recalls. So you can look at this as detailed as you want. But whoever had this van also serviced it, so it's very clean. And we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. That's why we do the Carfax, and that's why we do this video. Okay, the final portion, well, not final. I'm going to go show you the interior here in a minute. I'm doing a little out of order than what I normally do. But I'm going to accelerate, get up here on the highway so you can hear the van run, feel it shift through all the gears. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come out and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise, so exactly what we're looking for. With all that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle, and I highly recommend an affordable extended warranty on every used vehicle. So protect your investment, folks. Also keep in mind we have a 4.7 out of 5-star rating last I saw on Google. We've got great reviews, see what people are saying about us. We have over 800 transactions on eBay. Everybody's left us positive feedback. It's 800 people said we did them right, 0 people said we did them wrong. I'd say that's a pretty good ratio for how an indicator of how we do business. And nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting with our detailed videos, with our Carfax reports, with our great reputation, with our pictures. But if there's anything else you need to see, let me know. I'll be happy to get it for you. Also keep in mind there's a lot of dealers out there that have a real nice price online. They're just trying to get you to call. They don't tell you about all their hidden fees, administrative fees, document fees, tag fees, freight. And by next time you know it, they got a $500 fee here and $200 there, $99 here and $49 there, and then you factor in the shipping. Next thing you know, that real nice price is $2,000 or $3,000 more than you're expecting. So you know, if someone's not going to be honest and upfront, if someone tells me the cost is $10,000, you know, other than obvious sales tax, the price needs to be $10,000. I don't appreciate people, you know, not being upfront and honest with me. Nice hard brake here, by the way. No grinding, squeaking, or unusual brake noise. So again, exactly what we're looking for. Back to my point, though, you know, if someone's not being honest and upfront about the price, they've got hidden fees. What else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding title damage? Are they hiding mechanical issues? You know, I don't know, but I just know if someone doesn't shoot me straight right from the beginning, I'm very hesitant to trust anything they say after that. So that's for you to decide. It's your money, but that's just how I work, and you know, I think most people would agree. We do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone, or we can send one to your email as well. You can fill it out online. We can try and get you approved for financing. And if you'd like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a texter, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to try one of those big companies like Freedom Motors or Mobility Works or one of the Braun or VMI companies. I want you to ask them, hey, can I get the owner's cell phone number? Are you committed enough to customer service like Jeremiah is to give me the owner's cell phone number? That way if I have a problem, I don't have to dink around messing with everybody else. I can just get in touch with the owner. So try that out. Let me know how that works out for you. And to see our entire inventory, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We've got detailed videos and Carfax reports on all of our vehicles. So let me pull off here. I'll get you the interior view, and we'll close the video out. Okay, to finish out the video, very clean interior. Got your power seat there. And this is the SXT. This is not the GT. I apologize. So I did not mean to misspeak. This is the SXT trim package. Still very clean. Current miles, 50,000 miles. When are we going to turn the van on? Fires right up. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, so there's no dummy lights on. The rest of the interior is all very clean as well. I'll pop this sliding door open here. The hood as well. Back seats are very clean. We've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, heat, air, cruise. This is not some van that you come look at or we send out to you and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. And you'll notice that if you've been used car shopping, a lot of people don't give you the whole story until you get there. I guess they think you're not smart enough to see you're not smart enough to see the big dent in the door. You're not going to notice the transmission slipping. And I'm not here to waste your time or mine. That's why I'm doing these detailed videos. Underneath the hood, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks. Got your emission sticker right there. Everything looks good. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal, from an accident. No signs of any flood damage or anything like that. So it all looks great. And that's the number one mistake people make when used car shopping. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures, or they assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume the vehicle runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out, and nothing could be further from the truth. And you'll notice our competition, they rarely, if ever, show you the undercarriage of a vehicle. Go look at their website right now. Go look at all the pictures. Sorry, I had a phone call. Kind of lost my train of thought there, but my point is the competition rarely, if ever, shows you the undercarriage of the vehicle. They buy a lot of these from New York, Chicago, the Rust Belt, and they convert it, or they buy them already converted, and they sell it to you, and you're none the wiser, unless you're smart and say, hey, I need a detailed video of that van. I'm not going to give you my hard-earned $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 or more until I see a detailed video of that van. That's why we do our detailed videos. People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video. So thanks for checking out our van, and as always, affordable mobility solutions. Where mobility is affordable, call us today.